Here is the Z Fold 6 suitcase that we got sent so we can show you the features, let you know what we think. This is a rugged design case with a front screen protector and a stylus holder. So if you see here, there is a slot for your stylus. You can put it in and snap it in place there and it will close just fine. This is a more rugged case. Let's go ahead and put it on the phone so you can see what it looks like. Here is the Z Fold. And what you want to do is put the front case on first. So you do want to slide that on and make sure it slides into place like that. Then you do want to put the back case on. And once you put the back case on, you want to make sure you push on all four corners and you're going to hear like a click. That means it's in place. The reason that you have that click is because it has a beveled edge to protect your screen in the case of drops. And it also has the corner bumpers in case of drops as well. What's really nice about this, again, not only does it have the S Pen holder, let me show you that again right there. It does have a kickstand. So in the back, you can see that that slides out. It's on a little track. So you can use it upright like this. Let me show you on here. You can use it like that, or you can use it to where it is sideways like that, or have it with your phone open, just like so. So again, this is for the Z Fold 6, the 2024 version. It does have the appropriate holes for speakers, for the cables, charging ports, for the on and off switch and the volume switch. So it's a really nice case. It's very touch sensitive on this screen protector. It's also made from tempered glass. It's shatter resistant. So this is a very good, durable case to keep your phone safe. And it's one we would highly recommend.